Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a kitchen mystery that's puzzled home cooks for ages. Why do we rinse rice before cooking it? Is it really necessary? Let's find out. The primary reason, and the one you'll hear most often, is to remove excess starch. When dry rice grains rub against each other, they create a powdery coating of starch. And when you add water, that starch dissolves, turning the water milky. Now, if you skip this step, all that extra starch releases during cooking, acting like a glue. The result? A pot of gummy, clumpy rice where every grain sticks to its neighbor, far from the light, fluffy texture we usually crave. But it's not just about starch. Rinsing also helps wash away any dust, tiny debris, or even some residual talc often used in processing to prevent grains from sticking together in storage. Think of it as giving your rice a good little bath before dinner. So by rinsing, you're not just preventing stickiness, you're setting yourself up for success. You'll achieve those wonderfully light, distinct, and tender grains that are perfect for almost any dish. It's a simple step, really, just a minute or two of your time, but it makes a huge difference in the final texture and appearance of your cooked rice. Give it a try next time you're cooking rice, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips. Subscribe for more amazing facts.